In this video, we will show how Ripplica's structured output allows us to get perfectly formatted information from any instance of the task run and plug it instantly into automations. Let's go to our N8N. This workflow simply triggers the Ripplica agent to get the required data, and then appends the structured data it receives into Google Sheets. Inside Ripplica, under Advanced Settings, we define the exact structure we want the output to follow. For example, if we need the phone's name and price, we define it here. The phone name is a string data type, so we define it accordingly. The price will be an integer. We can also define a Boolean variable, like in stock. But for now, let's just use two variables for this agent. We also need to extract this for 5 objects. So we will define the output for all 5 objects and then run the workflow. As you can see, when the N8N workflow triggers the agent, Ripplica returns a perfectly formatted JSON object that matches the schema we defined. Now that we have the structured data, it can be seamlessly passed on to the next step of the workflow. Finally, the rest of the workflow writes the structured JSON directly into Google Sheets. Since the output is in the correct format, N8N can map each field straight into the sheet, instantly updating rows with the name and price. And that's the power of Ripplica's structured output. We define the schema once, trigger the agent anywhere, and seamlessly drag the rest of the automation.